Huwag mag-alinlangan na magtanong upang maliwanagan ng katotohanan. Para sa mabungang buhay tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. It is okay to have questions. Thomas did not want to believe just because his friends told him a story. He wanted to see the truth for himself. Many of us feel like Thomas today because we live in a world of facts and science, and faith can feel sometimes very confusing. Thomas shows us that doubting is not the same as quitting. Jesus did not get angry with him. Instead, he showed Thomas his scars. This tells us that God is not afraid of our questions and that our own scars and struggles can actually help us find a deeper faith. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Liwanagan mo kami, O Panginoon, sa mga panahon ng pagdududa sa iyong presensya sa amin araw-araw. Amen.